Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to request a time off on UKG Pro app. First, you'll have to open the UKG Pro app, log in using your username and password, and if it is your first time accessing the app, you may need to enter your company's specific access code. Once you log in into your account, here you can see this dashboard. Simply click on My Schedule, and here it will show you here your calendar. You can just simply click on Request, or if you want to access it through another way, click on the menu button on the bottom right side. Then it will show here these options. Click on time and attendance. And now you have to choose my calendar. It will get you back to this page. Simply click on request. Then here you can see all these options. Click on time off request. And now you'll have to provide the date and duration and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.